What's up everybody, and now I'm going to show you a test speed of the Lexus LX 570. Right now I'm on the vehicle, and before I'm going to test the speed, I'm going to use the option or mode that has provided in this vehicle. And the first one, for a safety, I will switch on the pre-crash safety level of that, and I will use the highest longest level. And the second one, I will turn on the lane departure, and you can see on the dash over here that can help me to alert when I drive off on the lanes. And this car right now is on the customized mode, so I'm going to push into the sport mode, customized sport mode, as well as Sport Plus. So already know that this car is come with a powerful speed right now. And alright, I turn on all the system in this car, and right now I'm going to show you, and let's see how does it work. Okay guys, I'm going to test a speed right now and see how does it work. Guys, sorry that I could drive up to just 180 kilometers per hour due to the highway is not available and crowded by so many cars. And under the hood, this car can drive up to 240 kilometers per hour, and that is the maximum of the speed. And thanks for watching.